All right. Once again, I welcome you to OAU Resources. Um, our topic today is how to create Rumble accounts. Yes, to create Rumble accounts is very easy. Very, very easy. So it's not something you will struggle with. So all you just need to do is to pay good attention to the practical session. Is something you can just create on your own. And after creating it, we will take you to the next topic where you can customize the Rumble channel. You customize it. So we are going to talk about that. But right now, we are giving you the topic on how to create a Rumble account. Yes, Rumble account. So see you as we step into the practical session. Make sure you subscribe, you follow us, and comment. Thank you.
All right. Welcome back to this today's class. I want to use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of us. If you are new to this class, if it is your first time, I want you to pay attention. There's a platform that I'm about to introduce to you people. Understand? So this platform, once you make any post there, you start earning. Yes, you heard me right. You start earning immediately. Understand? So today I will be taking you people to that platform, and the name of that platform is Rambo. Yes, so Rambo is a platform just like YouTube. You understand? But this one there's no tax. Understand? There's no tax. Once you open it, create the account, post there, you start earning. Understand? So while YouTube, we have to meet some criteria, 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers before they can allow you to monetization program. But this one is once you open it, create it, put the necessary things, you start earning with your money immediately without wasting much of your time. If you are new to this class, I said welcome back again, and pay very serious attention. Yes, pay very serious attention about this. Understand? So you will go to, what is it called? Go to your Chrome. Yes, go to your Chrome. Then click on Chrome, just like as you are. This screen is displaying. Understand? You type rambo.com. We send it. Understand? So it will bring you to this interface. It will bring you to this interface. Understand? So you as you are seeing this interface, this is the Rambo channel. You can as well get it on Play Store, Google Play. Yes, I just type Rambo and install it to your cell phone. Today's class, I'm for using Chrome to teach you this class. Understand? So you see, you sign in. As you can see, you see email. You put your email, the month, the day, the year. Note, that anything you are going to put here should be accurate. Don't fake it. If you fake your age, fake everything, you fake your money. You understand? So you are going to put an active Gmail account. Let it be active. You understand? So you will understand why I say let it be active. Don't go and put a old email or 20 years email. Just active email that you will be receiving your notification each time that Rambo update their program. Understand? So you put this is my Gmail. This is the month, the year, blah 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 blah. You check your month, your year. Understand? So as you can see, you send next. So we'll bring you into this interface again. It's loading. Understand? So verify if you're a woman. If you click yes, understand? So pay attention on this very one. Uh, your username. Username serve as the name of the channel. Any name that you wish to answer that people will know you with. So, for instance, OAU TV can serve, but right now we are using this Oja TV. So, remember this is username. So everything should write it together. Understand? So this is the year, the country. Don't fake your country. If you fake your country, they fake your money. Use any details you are filling here should be your real details. If you are in Cameroon, you choose Cameroon. If you are in Japan, you click Japan. I am from Nigeria. I don't know for you, so I'm searching for Nigeria. Yes, I've seen Nigeria. So I click. It's not going to work. Yes, because I space my username. Yes, as you can see. Next, the next. Yes, it's coming. Verify if you're a woman. You say yes, because they want to make sure if you are with them or it's AI that is creating the account. We are into account creation now. This is where you will pay attention. This is a password. We have 8 characters, one lower character, upper lower character, one number, and at least a special character. These are going to be your password. It should be more than 8. So you can use any number, you can use any password, but mind you, any number, any password you are using, go and write it somewhere. You understand? So go and write it somewhere. Because if you forget your password, you forget your money, you forget your effort. So this is the reason why you need to put accurate. Anything that you're putting here, one, you go to your notepad or you go to anywhere like write down your password. If you can't have it off heart, but I would advise you to write it out. Write it out. Understand? So let the first one and second one be the same. Understand? So we are into creating of a Bramble account. In a few minutes from now, we are going to be done with the account. Understand? And we will start earning immediately. Understand? So you see how I screenshot this. I screenshot it because I want to be remembered. I want to be remembered. There's something I got it wrong here, so I send it and they say that it's incorrect. If you can read it very well, you see it. You understand? So I need to address that first password so that it will tally with second one. Understand? So permit me. Why I edit the correct one. Yes. So yes, as you can see, I'm creating the password right now. Wow. So I send, as you can see. Wow. Yes. You see why I said you should use active Gmail. So now they have sent me code on that Gmail. I'm going there right away to do what? Copy that code. Understand? So yes. Before then you can see the code. I copy it. Copy the code. Yes. I minimize it. I come to that I paste it. I paste it. Paste it. While we wait, if we are going to be accepted. Wow. Wow. Congrats for all of us. The Rambo channel has been created. You understand? Welcome to Rambo Oja TV.
I believe you enjoyed the class. Right now, I am expecting every one of us to start doing practical. In fact, everybody should start creating their Rumble channel. Please, just make sure you follow the step very well and create that wonderful channel. So after that, um, see you in our next class. So make sure you subscribe, follow us, and